Meaning of holding.
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 Holding. The word holding has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to physically grasping or keeping something or someone in place, or to owning or possessing something, such as land or stocks. It can also refer to delaying a decision or action, as in holding off. Furthermore, holding can describe a temporary stop in movement or progress, such as when an airplane is put on hold during its flight. The exact meaning of holding thus depends on the specific situation in which it is used.